painterly florals, birds perched on branches, and romantic vibes. Let me introduce you to Bari J's brand new fabric collection for AGF called Bloomsbury. Hello makers, welcome back to the AGF channel. My name is Melly and I have another great quilt block tutorial to share with you today. I've been sewing with Bari J's brand new fabric collection for AGF called Bloomsbury, and I can't get enough of her signature painterly florals. My favorite print from the collection is called Day Chatter, filled with cute birds perched on branches among beautiful blooms. I fussy cutted one of these birds for the center of my prized possession block. Keep watching for the step-by-step instructions on how to make this fun block, and to see all the pretty prints in Bloomsbury fabrics, make sure to watch our Bloomsbury fabric haul video. So, did you know AGF offers canvas? For details on this outfit made with Bloomsbury canvas, make sure to stick around to the end of the video. If you're new to our channel and love learning new quilting techniques, don't forget to subscribe below to watch more fun sewing tutorials like this one. Check out the description box below and download a printable PDF with all the cutting requirements and step-by-step instructions. To create our half square triangles using the 8 at a time method, take a 6-inch square from fabric F and draw diagonal lines with a fabric marking pen on both diagonals. Place right sides together to a 6-inch square from fabric B. On each side of the line you drew, sew at 1/4 inch. Cut your piece on both diagonals, and then cut your piece vertical and then horizontally to reveal 8 BF half square triangles. Trim your half square triangles to 2.5 inches. To make the remaining half square triangles, we are going to use the 4 at a time method. Place your 4-inch squares from fabric B and D and E and G right sides together. Sew around your entire piece at 1/4 inch. Cut on both diagonals to reveal 4 BD and EG half square triangles. Trim your half square triangles to 2.5 inches. Now take your 2.5 by 4.5 inch strips from fabric C and your 1.5 inch squares from fabric B and H. Draw diagonal lines on the wrong side of your 1.5 inch squares. Place your squares on alternating corners of your 2.5 by 4.5 inch strips and sew them into place, sewing on the lines you drew. Trim your seam allowance to 1/4 inch and press open. Repeat the same process on the other corners of your strips. Sew your half square triangles in the following order to create your corner blocks. Make 4 of these units. Now we have all the units to create our block. Place your units out following the block design and sew your block into rows. Sew your rows together matching up seams, and your prized possession block is complete. Your prized possession block is complete. Make sure to share your quilt block creations made with AGF fabrics on social media using the hashtag AGF Quilt Block Collection. Our prized possession block is complete, and a mix with AGF pure solids and all these gorgeous floral prints, I think this block is such a beauty. So this is my first time wearing an outfit with AGF canvas, and my first feelings are I feel super chic and put together. This overall jumper pattern by McCall's is just so much fun, and it brings me back to my overall days. So it has a super cute skirt bottom, and yes, it has pockets. So for more fun sewing projects made with Bloomsbury fabrics, make sure to check out our new fabric lookbook. The link will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with all your sewing friends. And I'll see you in the next quilt block tutorial. Until next time, happy sewing!